Wait, do you know 73 million jobs are going to disappear and 69 million jobs are going to pop up? So hi, I am Amisha, a contributor at Hrrkoin, and according to the World Economic Forum, there is a big change and evolution going to get introduced in jobs like never before.
By 2027, a whopping 83 million jobs will disappear, but don't worry because 69 million new jobs will pop up. That's a net gain of 16 million jobs over the next 5 years, opening up exciting opportunities across various fields. The fastest growing fields in next 5 to 7 years will be from artificial intelligence and machine learning to renewable energy and healthcare.
As future of job approaches, remember that road to success evolves from preparation and flexibility. So stay future ready with Hrrkoin.